Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set up a two-factor authentication on the Samsung.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on this account button in the upper right corner of the screen, then tap on my page and tap on edit profile below your username, tap on this security button at the top, and then you should type in your password, tap on confirm, and here you should tap on this two-factor authentication button, tap on it, then you should type in your phone number, and after that tap on this send code button, and then a code will be sent to your phone where you need to finish the process of this two-factor authentication. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.